I'm gonna share with you the way that I tried, and I that way made me get more than 1,000 likes, and I'm gonna show you that post, and I'm gonna tell you what are the steps that I followed to get those likes. So I'm just gonna open my Instagram account, and as you can see right here, I have a bunch of posts, and this is one that did very good back then because I stopped for a little while posting, and this one make almost 400 likes. Then I stopped right here in this one. This was my last post, and I stopped posting for about 3 to 4 months, and these are like the highest likes that I've got back then, and it's close to 400, or let's say 400. So then I started to post back again, and let's see, these results is 200 plus. That's kind of okay. I didn't complain because I stopped for a while, and then I thought that this post was very nice, and I made 162 likes. So I was like, oh, what is going on? I felt like I was getting stuck. And this one too, and then this one made 200 likes, and I was wondering why I cannot reach 400 likes anymore. And the thing is, like, you have to interact with people, and Instagram is looking for engagement. So when I posted this image, I got a lot of interaction, and because I went to some other hashtags that have to do with my stuff, and I started liking and commenting, and like actually paying attention to their content, and leaving meaningful comments on their post. And I did before posting, I did that before posting this image and after posting, and that got me 500 likes, and I was like, oh, okay, I'm getting better now. And as you can see, the image is not that, it doesn't have like a lot of stuff going on, and like it's kind of simple image, but it got like a good amount of likes. And then I stopped doing that, and I wanted to get the same likes, and for some reason I couldn't get past 500. But then I did the same thing again. But before showing you those results, I'm gonna talk about some, I would say, basic steps to follow so you can get more likes. So we're gonna look at this image right here. So the first thing to do is stop posting like rectangular pictures. The more you take of the screen, the better. If you can make square ones, that's fine too. But if you post something like this, which is, I guess, 3x4, it's gonna take more screen, and it's gonna pick more attention. So that's the main goal, to grab your followers or someone else attention. So that's one thing, the size of the image. The bigger, the better. Next point. So as you can see, this image is a very good image. It has very good quality. It's not blurry. It looks good. So that's one more thing. So this thing, this thing right here catches attention, and I don't know what to call this. It's not a lion, but I'm gonna call it lion because I don't know. Puma, I guess it's called. I don't know how to say it in English, but yeah. So let's call it lion. So here we have the lion, and it looks very nice, so it grabs attention. Second point, you have text, it grabs more attention. But if you have just the lion, it's gonna grab, let's just say something, 1 minute attention. Or the other way, if you just have text, it's just gonna have 1 minute of attention. But if you combine both, you're gonna have 2 minutes. So Instagram is gonna push your content even more. So that's one more thing to add: size, text, and image. So one more thing that you have to do is have a nice description. Right here says, give it a like if you enjoy this content, if you agree with it. And on the bottom says, tag a friend if you need that, if you see that someone else needs to see this post, tag a friend. So that's what I do, and some people did it actually. So a person right here even tagged 3 people, so that's very good. And all the comments, they're not a lot, but I answer every comment. You see, whoops, you see this one right here, I answer back, this one too, this one too. So most of them are already answered. So that's one more thing. And now let's talk about hashtags. Some people say put it in the description, people say put it in the caption. I put them in the caption. For some reason my hashtags didn't work as well in the comment section. And as you can see, I don't have 5, I don't have 10, I have 20 plus hashtags. And now people are saying that you can use just 5 hashtags and it's gonna do better. I'm not really sure. This is what I did, it's my own experience. So you give it a try 5 hashtags, 10, 20, give it a try. This is what I did, and I'm just sharing my results with you. So I'm just gonna go back to the image, and as I said, going back to the main point, interaction. So before posting this image, I went to my feed, my personal feed, and I started to scroll down, and I saw like a bunch of images. And if I saw an image that really that I really liked it, I gave it a like and a comment, and a meaningful comment. I cannot stress that enough. So you have to pay attention to their post and actually like comment something about it. If there's a very nice sky, talk about the sky. If you see a cat, give a comment, and also you can leave an emoji, you know, a cat emoji, things like that. Like, people want to see that you're actually enjoying their content. And if you don't do anything. I mean, I'm not telling you to be a liar, but yeah, if you don't like the content, just go to other places. You can find other hashtags and give them likes, comments, but make sure that it's related to your stuff also. So I think that's the main thing that made me reach 1,621 likes in this post. Interaction before posting and after posting. So yeah, size, text, image, hashtags, but the more important thing is gonna be interaction before and after posting and answering all your comments. So Instagram pushes more your post. And if you wanna support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description. Thank you.